termite baiting system or traditional liquid treatment? Which one really works? Most people think it's either or, but the truth is sometimes the most effective solution is going to be both. Today we're going to break it down so that way you can protect your home the smart way. Look at them all. We're working on it, Mr. Hamilton.
Well, I need you to get on it.
We're going to get rid of your termitios.
Yeah, listen, we need to get them things out of here ASAP.
Yes, sir. Look how wide that mud tube is. Okay, we have live termites going up the side of the slab right here. They had a pre-treatment before they poured this slab, but you can see something has failed. Something has caused these termites to be able to go from the ground up. See, look, you got. Look at that. All right, Lamar's gonna go ahead and get this prep. We're gonna dig a trench along here on this bottom side right here. Basically, we're just gonna do a spot treatment in this area. We're putting Centricon obviously around the exterior perimeter, but we're gonna go ahead and get a trench. So we're gonna fill that in with termiticide. And then that way the termites that are in the house, they're gonna get infected with this product. And by the way, I'm using Taurus SC, fantastic product. It has a transfer effect. Where termites get into it, they transfer it to other termite colony members and they spread it. And so they don't have to actually come in direct contact with this product, just with a termite it has, and that will do its job. So all the termites that are up here will come down and get infected with the product. And then when they go back to the colony, wherever that colony is, somewhere in the ground, and they will start spreading it throughout the rest of the colony. And so it won't be long, this termite colony will be dead. And Mr. Hamilton and his wife, well, Mrs. Hamilton is going to be very happy that she has no more termites in her house. So go ahead, Lamar. Not to mention the fire ant bed. Matter of fact, I have a great video on the most effective fire ant treatment that nobody talks about. Check that out right here. You're going to want to do that.
Look here, Mac. See where they were running along there?
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, they've already tunneled in there. Those ants are trying to eat them. Mm-hmm. Wow. So they probably tied that in. Look at that. Wow. That's hard right there. That's a tube. That's a mud tube.
Yep.
Wow. All right. So we'll be digging this trench right here, and we're going to fill this in with termiticide, Taurus SC. Don't get them ants on you. Woo!
Look at all the termites that was in the ant bed.
Yeah. Also, this Taurus SC is going to wipe these fire ants out. Gone. You think you can kind of go up underneath that?
Yeah. Watch some fire ants.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good stuff. what Lamar is doing is rodding right now. It's a technique that we use, especially if we can't get a trench in there. So he's just rodding right beside the cat condo and the slab. So those termites that are coming up the slab will get into it and die. This is a perfectly good reason why we use a combination of baits and liquids, because of the way this house is constructed. I wouldn't just want to use a baiting system when it has live termites. I want to go ahead and eliminate that threat as soon as possible, because as soon as we do that, that means less damage is being done in the house. And the more peace of mind the homeowner has as soon as you can eliminate that threat of active termites. And also we put the baiting system around to take care of any potential threats, because we know there's going to be more termites going to try to enter into this house. I'm going to say this, there's no way that I would do a liquid only treatment on this house, because the way it's constructed, it's got two separate slabs. It's got a hollow block foundation and a monolithic slab combined on this. Not to mention there's a deck on one side. There's these cat condos. There's so much going on. I would never do a standalone liquid treatment on this house at all. Not a preventative or a curative treatment. Okay, I want to tell you the objective of the purpose behind a liquid termite treatment, and that is to have a 100% chemical barrier around this home. That way the termites in the ground, they come in contact with the product and they die. So that keeps the house protected. But this house that we're looking at right here, this is not your regular house. This was actually a barn at one point. And because this was a barn, it has two separate foundations. Let me show you. It has a monolithic slab, which means the slab is poured all at one time. Mono means one. So it's one slab poured all at one time up against a hollow block foundation. And you see this crack right here? This is what we call a cold joint. Termites only need the width of a sheet of paper to get into a home, okay? So guess what? If you're having to put a 100% chemical barrier around your home to keep termites from coming in, well, there's a cold joint that runs all the way through this house to the other side. So the only way to get a 100% barrier in this home is to go inside and drill the flooring, or drill where that crack is, all the way down. And I know Miss Hamilton personally, and I don't think she's gonna let that fly. All right, this is the original slab that we're standing on right here. This is the slab that they poured. There's gonna be that expansion crack that runs all the way through his house. And so we would have to come in here and drill down in this concrete to create that chemical barrier. And so let me just ask the homeowner real quick. Let me just ask the wife. Hey, Miss Hamilton, would it be okay if we drilled this tile?
No, why would you drill my floor?
See what I'm saying? Nobody wants their tile drilled on the inside, right? And so that's why we put the Centricon system around the outside of the home, because if we're doing the liquid termite treatment, we're gonna have to do that in order to do it right. And so there's some YouTube channels out there that say you don't have to do it. They're wrong. I want to give you the right information, the correct information. I want you to be adequately prepared, especially if you have a termite company come out to your house, you know that they're doing it right. So if we didn't do a baiting system, then we'd have to also drill down in here every 12 inches on this patio. This is also on the section that has the hollow block. And you can't just treat hollow block like you treat a monolithic slab. It's totally different. And so not only would you have to down drill here, you're going to have to drill into the block itself, which it makes it extremely difficult here on this front porch. Now we're on the back side of the home. You see the monolithic slab here? It's all one slab, and you can see where it's joined right here. And so you have that crack that goes all the way through the middle of their house. Then you have the hollow block foundation around the rest of the home. And so what you'd have to do is not only dig a trench around the exterior perimeter, you'd have to drill holes in this hollow block to get the chemical in the hollow block and on the other side where the supported slab or floating slab is butting up against this hollow block. So there's a lot to a liquid treatment, not just trenching and treating. And a lot of people think, well, if I use Termidor or Taurus, I don't have to do any of that. Yes, you do. If you don't do it, you're doing it halfway and you're going to end up with problems. There's a YouTube channel right now that says you don't have to drill and you don't have to do any of those things. That's a lie. Okay, don't trust these guys. The label says you must drill, you must trench, chemical barrier around the home to have adequate protection. All right, so on this home, you're definitely going to have to treat the hollow block, dig the trench, and drill all the way down through the center of this house. And this homeowner's not going to want that to happen. Not to mention, you had this deck right here, all on the outside. So the only way to access that is to take off some of these boards and to get up underneath there. And if you're going to get underneath there, you're going to have to drill that hollow block on the other side of that up underneath this deck to get adequate control. So this is reason why we chose a baiting system over a traditional liquid treatment, especially in this case, because you have so many different obstacles that you have to overcome. And it has live termites already. So when we put the bait stations around the outside of the home, every 8 to 10 feet, the termites that are in the ground are going to forage randomly around their colony up to 100 yards. That's a long way. Up to 100 yards around their colony, they're going to find these stations. And when they find the stations, they'll take the bait back to the colony. And guess what? They feed the bait to the rest of the colony and the entire colony dies. This bait station has enough active ingredient to kill 2 colonies. Not 1, but 2 colonies. And how it works is that this is an insect growth regulator, and it keeps the termites from molting and shedding their exoskeleton and going to the next stage of their life cycle. And so if you have animals and you have kids, you don't have to worry about them getting into the bait and eating it and dying or having some type of sickness, because we're mammals. We have an endoskeleton. We do not molt. We don't go through that process. And so it's completely harmless to animals and people, well, mammals in general. It's a completely safe product to use. And so on this house right here, I would not treat it any other way. Now, we spot treated. We would have to drill holes all the way around this patio every 8 to 10 inches to put that chemical barrier around there. We don't have to do that now. All we did was we spot treated these areas, and we put Centricon around the outside. The immediate threat for termites is over with. This homeowner don't have to worry about termites anymore. And now we got the Centricon system. It's going to do its job. It's going to pick up the other termite colonies in the area, and it's going to keep them from getting in and destroying their most valuable investment. If you got any questions about termites, baiting system, any type of bugs, listen, I want you to reach out, put a comment in the chat below. I'll get back to you. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time. God bless.